Hello subscribers, welcome to my channel Tech 365. Today I gonna show you much important trick which everyone should know, how to save the mobile data and how are you monitoring today the mobile data and the Wi-Fi usage in your smartphone. I think it's a critical point everyone has in their mind because all the apps which is upcoming in 2020, it's been mostly the process is being running in the background and consumes a lot of data, and by mid of the month we are running out of the data and we wanna again recharge and spend some more money to get it done. So I'm gonna show you some important tips and trick in this video to show you how to save the mobile data. So follow with me till end of the video. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First, you have to download the app called as My Data Manager. Here this is the interface, and this app is already available in Play Store, so it's free of cost and it has 1 million plus downloads in Play Store. So you can just download and start using the app, and this would be the first interface. So here you go to the three lines at the left corner and go to My Plans, and here I have already created a plan, but you can delete it and I'll show you how to do it from the scratch. So click on the plus icon, and it has a three different menu options. I have a regular plan, I have a shared plan, I have a roaming plan. So now we can start with the regular plan, and here you can enter the mobile data. So for example, I have a package and subscription of 30 gigabytes per month, so I enter 30 and click on yes. And I don't have any roaming, so as of now, so I just make it 0 and click on done. So once click on done, here you can see your plan has been created, and in your taskbar you can see three different options. One is mobile data, roaming and Wi-Fi. It always shows you how much data is being consumed by Wi-Fi and mobile data and even in the roaming. So this would be really useful for you to monitor and keep track of the data you've been used every single day. And here we have several options as well. Say my alarm, it is nothing but the notification and history. You can see which day how much of data you've been used, and just keep track of the different mode of data usage, say mobile, Wi-Fi and roaming. And here you go to my alarm, and here you can notify, you can make alerts for different kinds of the data usage. Say plan reach, it will notify you if 90% of the plan is reached the limit. It gives a notification. And daily budget, you can set the daily budget, how much you want to use per day. For me it is 30 GB of data, so I set for 1 GB per day. And the forecast usage warning, and there are different self-explanatory options you can research yourself. It's the same with Wi-Fi, and in Netherlands most of the Wi-Fi are free, and it has no data limit, so we do not set anything. And here is the roaming, and I didn't configure anything because I'm not subscribed for roaming. Hope this app is useful. The next trick which I'm gonna show you is to how to turn off the auto update in Google Play. So let's get started. First go to Google Play, and click on the three lines at the top left corner, and go to settings, and search for auto update apps and autoplay videos. So first click on auto update apps, and here please ensure you don't choose over any network and choose over Wi-Fi only. So whenever you connected to your free Wi-Fi or your corporate network, it automatically get downloaded. This by doing this you can save a lot of mobile data. And it's the same thing for autoplay videos. Please ensure that autoplay videos at any time, the data charges may be applied. They have given a caution over there, so please don't choose that option. So choose autoplay videos over Wi-Fi only. So by doing this step you can really save a lot of mobile data. Hope this helps, and let's go to the next tip. The next trick which I'm going to show you is to how to disable the background process to save your mobile data. Let's get started. First go to settings and click on settings, and here search for bill number to enable the developer option. So just type bill number. So when you type on bill, it shows that there is one search term found, it's bill number. So click on that and just go down, and here you can see the bill number. Tap on it for 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here it's asked for your pin. Just enter your pin. and now it shows you are now a developer. So go back and here search for developer option. Here you can find the developer option, click on it and just scroll down and search for background process. So here you can see background process limit, it has been set as standard limit. So here you can choose no background process, because when your phone is locked, there will be a lot of apps which is running in the background, and where you don't even use the app but the data is being consumed by the app, by updating the procedures, or updating of the software in the background. So it is important to choose no background process. So when you don't use the app, there is no process which will be running on the background. So this way you can save your mobile data. Hope this trick is useful for you, and let's go to the next one. There is a general complaint about WhatsApp. In this pandemic situation and the lockdown period, everyone uses WhatsApp on Instagram and so on to communicate with their friends. And but the general complaint is that WhatsApp is consuming a lot of data, where you don't even use it so much to chat or making video calls, but still it is consuming a lot of data. And I will give you a tip that how to control the high consumption of data in WhatsApps. Let's go and check it out. First, go to WhatsApp, and here go to the three dot which is at the right corner, and go to settings, and come down and go to data and storage usage, where you can see there will be a lot of menu, and here media auto download, this is the important step which we want to follow. So here when you use mobile data, see my all auto photos, audio, videos and documents will be automatically downloaded when it is been connected to mobile data. So you ensure that you uncheck everything. This way you can save lot of data. The same for Wi-Fi, just uncheck everything. So the same, let's do it for the roaming as well. When you are out of the country and it automatically downloads data, it's gonna cost you huge money. So this way you can save a lot of data. When, for example, when you're in a certain group, and the media will be automatically get downloaded where it is not even relevant to you. So that way you can, by doing this step, you can save a lot of data. And here you can see it's been blurred out, and it asks for the download option. So from now on, when you do this option unchecked, you can see the content, which content you want to download, and only the specific content which you are interested in, it can be downloaded. So this way you can really save a lot of data by using WhatsApp. And one more important thing is, again, go to settings and data and storage usage, and here call setting, enable low data usage and reduce the data used in a call. The next interesting tip and trick which I'm going to show you is to how to disable the network for specific application, say WhatsApp or Chrome or Instagram or TikTok, whatever maybe. So let's get started and install the app for it first. So go to Play Store and search for NetGuard. So when you search for it, that will be the first application with 1 million downloads, and it's a 4.3 rating with a trusted download. So click on install. So wait for a couple of minutes to get it installed, and click on open once installation is over. And here it's a terms and conditions, so click on agree and proceed on, and click on a few more OKs, as there will be terms and conditions. Okay, so this is the application, this is the first interface. So first let's turn on the app. So it's going to be connected to the VPN to access all other application, to stop from connecting to network. So click on this, and it asks for your NetGuard is going to use a local VPN to control your internet traffic. So click on OK and proceed, and again click on OK. So here it don't ask me again, and click on OK, and it asks for to optimize the battery, so it is not needed. So if you wish to do that, you can enable it, you can enable the future, but for the moment it's not required for me. So I just go back, and now go back to the application, and now your NetGuard is on. Now you will be able to control all the application for which you don't want to use the mobile data or the network. So for example, Chrome, I'm just disabling the network for Chrome. So let's go and test. Now let's test the Chrome. Go to Chrome browser and try to load any one website, say for example Google. Yeah, of course it will not, because we have blocked the network in the GuardMe app. So let's now go back to the app and enable the network and see whether if it is loading. So uh, click on these two buttons. It means the Wi-Fi is disabled. Now it's been enabled, and the network data. And now go back and go to Google and see Google is getting loaded. So hope this trick is very useful and this app is very useful. The next trick, I will show you how to save your mobile data using light version of Google Chrome and Facebook. Most of the application has a light version, so it is mostly advisable to use a light version to avoid the huge data consumption in your smartphone. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and go to settings by clicking on the three dots at the right corner of your screen. And here, if you go to settings, you can see your light mode will be automatically turned off by default. So it will be turned off, so you just want to turn on it, so most of the data will be used less, and only the significant and important content which needs to be used and utilized by your data will be shown in the Google Chrome. And this saves at least 40 to 50% of the data consumption through Chrome. And the same way, go to Play Store and let's install the Facebook Lite version. So Facebook. So here see, it always recommends us to download a Facebook version. Now let's see how to install a Facebook Lite version in your smartphone. First, go to Play Store and search for Facebook Lite version. So here is a Facebook Lite. So it has 1 billion downloads, so it's a trusted app. So you can just click on install, and the light version of the Facebook will be installed, and you can use this for your regular use, where it consumes less data, and the version will be really light, where it doesn't load huge data like a normal Facebook app. The next tip which I'm gonna share with you is to how to control the data saver and data in YouTube, and how to enable the data saver in your smartphone. So let's get started. So first, go to settings. So let me go to settings to enable the data saver. So here you can go to settings and go to network and internet, and if you click on this, you will have by default data saver. It will be turned off, so please turn on it, so it will control the usage of your data, and consumption will be like very less. And the next tip is to go to YouTube. So type and search for YouTube, and by selecting YouTube, the application gets open, and at the right corner you logged in with your profile, and click here to go to settings, and to settings go to general settings, and here you can see limit mobile data usage, only stream HD videos and Wi-Fi. This will be by default, it will be turned off, so turn on it to ensure you don't play any HD video quality videos with your mobile data. By default, YouTube always suggests for 4K or 1080 pixel. By enabling this feature, it will always reduce the quality of the video to save more mobile data. Hope this feature is useful for you. Let me know your comments in the comment section.